Hello, welcome to this question from AQA A-Level Accounting, May 2014, Unit 1, the question is 1b. Now, this question is about preparing a customer's nominal ledger account. So let's see the information in the question. So James Fay owns a business selling car parts, and the following transactions took place in April 2014. So transaction number 1, the 3rd of April, purchase goods on credit from Paul Dyson for £612. Transaction 2, the 7th of April, sold goods on credit to Tom Dale, £150. Transaction 3, on the 12th of April, paid cash sales into the bank, £820. Transaction 4, on the 14th of April, Tom Dale returned goods to James Fay for £40. And transaction 5, on the 30th of April, Tom Dale paid the amount by credit transfer in full settlement of the balance outstanding at the 1st of April 2014, £456. Now, we're going to be doing question 1b. At the 1st of April 2014, Tom Dale owes £490 to James Fay, and 1b says, complete the account of Tom Dale in James Fay's sales ledger, then balance the account at the 30th of April 2014. So we're given Tom Dale's account now. Now, Tom Dale is a credit customer of James Fay. That means Tom Dale owes money to James Fay, in which case for James Fay, it's an asset. So our balance brought down is going to be on the 1st of April on the debit side. Balance brought down. And the amount we're given in the question was, on the 1st of April, Tom Dale owed £480. So again, it's on the debit side because it's an asset of James Fay. So it's in a sales ledger, money is due to James Fay, so it's an asset on the debit side. Now let's look at the transactions in the information. And transaction 1 is about buying goods from Paul Dyson, so that's got no connection with Tom Dale. Transaction 2, we sold goods on credit to Tom Dale for £150 on the 7th of April. So we sold goods to Tom Dale. That means Tom Dale owes James Fay even more money now. So it's going to go onto the debit side. So we've got the 7th of April. And it's going to be sales. And the amount, if I go back to the information, was £150. Increase the amount owed now to James Fay. Transaction 3, paid cash sales into the bank. That's got nothing to do with Tom Dale. Transaction 4, the 14th of April, Tom Dale returned goods to James Fay with a value of £40. So if Tom Dale returns goods to James Fay, it's going to reduce the amount Tom Dale owes James Fay. So therefore, it's going to be on the credit side. So the date was the 14th of April. Details will be sales returns. And the amount was £40. Now, transaction 5 on the 3rd of April, Tom Dale paid the amount by credit transfer in full settlement of the balance outstanding on the 1st of April 2014 and paid £456. So we pay £456, that's going to reduce the balance owed by Tom Dale, so it's going to be on the credit side of Tom Dale's account. So it's £456. The details will be bank. It will be on the date of the 30th of April 2014. Now it states that he paid amount in credit transfer in full settlement of balance asset on the 1st of April 2014. Now the balance of the 1st of April was £480. So the £456 is in full settlement. That means discount has been allowed to Tom Dale. So you've got discount allowed. And the date again is the 30th of April 14. And the amount will be the £480 amount owed less the £456. So it's be the £480. Take with the 456, that should come to £24. Now it says balance the account at the 30th of April 2014. Right, so you want to find the side which got the biggest total, which is going to be your debit side. So your debit side totals £630, whereas your credit side totals £520. So we're going to work out the balance carried down now at the 30th of April. So the 30th of April 14, and our balance carried down, and the credit side needs to total 630 to work it out. So your balance carried down is going to equal the 630, take away the £40, take away the £456, take away the £24. That'll give us a balance carried down of £110. Now you must remember now, if you have a balance carried down, you always want to put down the balance brought down on the opposite side. So on the opposite side underneath the totals, I'm going to have balance brought down. The amount will be the same as the balance carried down, which is £110. And the date will be the date after the balance carry down. The balance carry down is on the 30th of April, so the next day will be the 1st of May, 14. Now, the reason why you must always remember to put your balance brought down is because there's often a mark for having both the balance carried down and the balance brought down. If you don't have the balance brought down and you have the balance carried down correct, in most cases, you still do not get a mark. You must have the brought down figure as well to get the mark. So that's a short question on how to repair a customer's sales account. And I hope you found it very, very interesting. If you need any more help, please watch out my other videos and enjoy the rest of your day and take care then. Bye-bye.